Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place. So this is going to be a very special situation opening up for you. It's like a new book, new chapter for you, okay? There's a beautiful communication coming through. Don't mind the lighting. Okay, it has happened. Because my sun is hiding. My sun in my area, it's hiding behind clouds. So when it's out, it's totally twinkly light. But when it hides, it's going to give you a shadow, okay? Do we care? No. Do we mind? No. But there's a beautiful communication coming through. Very stable, very kind of like maybe unbelievable, but happy, okay, joyous. It's going to make you happy. Whatever is going to happen, darling, now, the communication, the breakthrough, okay, it's going to make you happy. That's what I see. So you have sudden changes, unexpected changes. Look, now the light is also all right. Please stay that way, sun. So there is sun. So could be a Leo as well. But also, with the sun comes growth, hope, new ideas, new energy. And there is this new, beautiful love, transformation, meeting happening. Now there's a beautiful communication, unexpected, okay, but also undeniable. You want to stay in connection. Ace of Swords is so clear. Someone will say exactly what you want to hear, exactly what they feel as well, okay? Okay, so now what's the card that flipped out was Four of Wands. It's a connection that is on soul level with the purpose coming, okay? This is going to be entering in your life with the purpose. You are also entering in that, okay? So, but there's a joyous aura. Four of Wands is also a card of commitment here, okay? Now, what they are trying to say is going to be very stable communication, beautiful communication. Oh, I think I should pause the video. No, we shouldn't. Okay, something won't get paused. It's going to be fast forward. It's going to be move. It's going to be beautiful. Undeniable connection is coming through. Very stable person is going to be coming in your life, okay? Also, it's going to be like a celebration mode in your mind and in this person's mind regarding this. You both are parallel to each other standing. To you. Like Two of Wands and Two of Wands, okay? With Four of Wands is a stable connection. That's all I can say right now. It's a marriage card as well. Something that they want to be in connection with you, want to stay in touch with you, okay? Lot of communication, I said, beautiful communication with roses and love and everything. Also, it's like something grand that is coming in your life in future. Connection. Okay, I just heard portfolio. Maybe it's something connected with your work related stuff, okay? People are watching your possible videos or photographs. You may be public figure or something like that also. But this is something grand that is going to happen even regarding love, okay? Maybe it's also some occasion, okay? Let's see. Okay, they're saying a lot of pages are coming, okay? Page of Swords could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but this is for Aquarius. So there are pages coming. This is some undeniable but a beautiful communication, even if like you have like this. So this is about real communication and understanding each other communication. Understanding each other. I was like, okay, it's kind of energy. Okay, let me tell you, this is funny. But when you eat this stuff, you need to go in the process of burp, right? It is very important. So when an infant is being fed with the formula, with the milk, you need to take them and you need to give them this so that they burp and they don't take it out, okay? So this kind of energy is like, it's a burp love, like it's going to be like digestion is going to be well, okay? I'll be back. Listen, I have to pause them because sun is hiding and I don't like that dark light, because of course when it's there, why not? So it's about the burp love, means that you're going to be easily adjusting and not adjusting, digesting that love, okay? Means it's not going to complicate your life, okay? You get that? Like, okay, it's a good thing. It's burp is good. Okay, so you have page coming. There are so many messages coming from far. This person is going to be trying. Okay, so you are entering into an unknown territory right now. Maybe a lot of stuff is not known by you or this person, but this connection is opening a door, opening a doorway, okay? this situation, this now it's 50-50, okay, but let me tell you, Eight of Cups. This is unknown, but emotionally, someone is going to be in your life. Like the one you walked away, look at this. This card came through like this, okay, somehow. I'm going to give you two messages. One, the walk away that you have done, or the distancing that you have done from recent distant things, this person is going to make you believe why it never worked, kind of energy actually, okay. They are coming towards you. Like when you're leaving, you're going towards someone. When you're leaving, someone is on the way. You see this destined encounter kind of energy, okay. But and you might be feeling and experiencing this, that why this person is entering in my life, why emotionally, like on deep level you might not be able to connect with them right now, but there's a lot to explore about this person. And the moment you're going to end up talking and a lot of stuff is going to be done, you will know where you stand and where they stand in your life, okay. It's a whole new chapter. I'm thirsty. So it's basically you leave, you go, and they come. Destined encounter. You might not be thinking, no, it's not possible, too possible. Very strong arrival. Knight of Wands. Could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Please don't hide. Look, no matter how hard you try to push this away, or you're thinking, no, it's not possible, this person will fight for you. Like your energy is like, no. But they're going to bring harmony in your life. No, on and off, or push and pull a little bit, like of emotions. There's going to be a situation in your life, I won't lie about that. There's going to be push and pull of your emotions in the coming time, where you might be like, what is going on, where this is going, this is so unpredictable, this is so, I'm not feeling comfortable, maybe a uncomfortable zone possible. But this is a destined encounter. You people are meant to know each other, okay. And this person is coming with proposal of ahead, marriage. Look, proposal. We're going to take this, an offer ahead, okay. And they like this challenge, but very beautiful communication, and you enjoy that. You are going to enjoy that. You enjoy that, and they are going to make you feel in a certain way where you can leave or drop that burden of things, or how people gonna act, because they are not leaving the effort. They're taking your effort. Like they're going to be sharing what you went through. They're going to share what the pain you have gone through, the things that you might have be having on your shoulders. This person is going to make you feel and believe you can drop this. 10 of Wands energy when this offer is coming through, okay. They are going to put an action. They are going to make the effort, and which is a universal law. This masculine is going to do this for you, okay. Of course you do, but they are going to do it first. They are Ace of Wands. Look, they are being inclined towards you. They're getting attracted towards you so much. Coming with a beautiful love communication. The Lovers, could be Gemini, Ace of Swords, a breakthrough in communication, truth be told. They're going to act, and they make you believe you're queen, okay, or vice versa. But they make you believe this is someone chosen for you for a very long time, but it's entering or entered in this life. Look, the new chapter shall begin. The World. Stretching horizons. This is someone who's going to travel to you as well. Mark my words, they are going to travel to you. They are going to come and meet you, okay. There could be Leo, there could be Scorpio, Aquarius, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and the signs I gave you. This person is going to make way towards you, okay. They'll stretch the horizons for you. It's like shorter the sweet. Shorter, S-H-O-R-T-E-R, is sweet. Shorter is sweet. Like it's not lengthy something. It's going to be cleared out in a short conversation, but a beautiful conversation. I'm here for you. Okay, I'm going to do it. The new chapter shall begin. Wow. The new chapter shall begin. The Lovers. You are going to, very clear, you're going to be with your lover very soon. Some of you, these are major cards. You see the transition and the change. Lovers could be Gemini, but listen, you both are going to look up and see something, because you've been selected for this lifetime. Okay, this is what twin energy, this is what, wow. Fated connection. Oh my god, these loud sounds. I'm going to wind up this reading now because, I can't hold on with this noise right now. Okay, look, this card is yours. More talking. Just a random card. Lot of talk, messages, text, email, interested. Okay, it's coming. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.